Hello, welcome to the session Introduction to Fuzzy Logic. Why fuzzy logic? The main advantage of fuzzy logic is it reduces mathematical burden. We will see detail at the last how it reduces the mathematical burden. And instead of mathematical representation of system, the fuzzy logic gives us flexibility to having benefit from experience of domain expert in system design. That means we can take benefit of expert which having the experience in particular system and that can design the system without having much mathematical involvement. So one who does not know many things or little about mathematics, he can also decide the rules of fuzzy logic from their experience, and we can take benefit of their experience in designing the system. Where is fuzzy logic? The main applications. Fuzzy logic is gaining importance in all fields including engineering and science, medical, defense, finance, products, psychology, marketing, weather forecasting, aerospace, security, image processing, and many more. In short, there are endless possibilities of applications where fuzzy logic is benefited. We will discuss detailed applications at the end of this course. Let's understand difference between scientific language and real world language. So there are several real world applications where scientific precision really not required. We are having, just for example, this is not an application. For example, if someone is in danger, we will not say just like 1500 kg mass is approaching your head at the speed of 45.3 meter per second. It is foolish. We will not use this language. In real world, we say, hey, look out. So that's the difference between just scientific language and real world communication. And the fuzzy logic is that we are utilizing real world communication and variable and language in designing the system. So this is what we can say the fuzziness. It is about representing variables or parameter in real world language which call the linguistic variables. The basic principle of fuzzy logic. What is fuzzy logic? To get exact input-output relation of any system, it is required to derive mathematical model of complete system, which may involve more than one complex domain like electrical, mechanical, electromagnetism, environment, or any. So fuzzy logic is to process the input and to provide the output without having much more mathematical equations. So that system which involve mathematics, we can replace with the fuzzy logic to process one input and to provide the output. To get exact input-output relation of any system, if we require the mathematics, then block can be represented by mathematics which process on inputs and provide output. Their output may be 1, 2 or many also, but this is for just representation. Mathematics is processing input and providing output. It may be linear or non-linear functions. So we know well the mathematical function. What is fuzzy logic is, idea of fuzzy logic is to represent variables with fuzziness and then to represent the system with fuzzy logic rules. This is main heart of fuzzy logic to understand. It is rule-based system, and when we decide the very good accurate rules, and the rules may be decided by expert, then our system will behave that can be represented without mathematics, and it can also produce the desired output from the input. So when we process and when we apply the input, the main fuzzy logic rules will produce the output. We will also see the details parts, but this is the basic what we can say about what fuzzy logic is. So fuzzy logic is rule based system which process on input based on our set rule and provide the output. So if you have any idea about the neural network, then you can compare these two. Here we do not require the number of different input output combinations. So there is no such thing like the training of the system, but we can decide the rules of input and output. If input is this, we can decide the rules without having the data that output will be this. Or if combination of inputs may be like this, then output will be this. So this is the experience of expert that can decide the rules. We will discuss later, but at this stage, what is fuzzy logic is rule-based system. Let's understand fuzzy logic in 4 steps in this particular course. In the first session, we are also going to define the inputs, that's called the fuzzification, which convert crisp value to fuzziness and decide fuzzy members for each inputs and output. So first step we are going to discuss just right now, but let's see what are the next steps that we are going to discuss in succeeding chapters, succeeding sessions. Degree of true, or it's called the membership function. The third step is to decide the rule, and fourth step is outputs and defuzzification, that fuzziness to crisp value conversion. So this 4 step will require to design the fuzzy logic for any system. In first step we will have the fuzzification, we will convert crisp value into fuzziness. In second step we will decide the membership function that define the degree of trueness for each membership function. Third is deciding the rules, that will be decided by the domain expert. This is the most important step of the fuzzy logic system. It is depending upon the rules. And last step is defuzzification, because in output we want this crisp value whatsoever, so fuzziness will be converted in crisp value at the end. Let's discuss about the step 1, fuzzification. What is fuzzification? If we are having number of input and output variable, in this table we are having just example of input and output. It may be temperature, height, voltage, speed. Suppose temperature is one input of any system. So in real world, temperature is measured in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Say it is say 10 degrees Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Celsius. This is what we are used to use the crisp value for the temperature. But instead of this particular value, the first step of designing fuzzy logic system is we will convert this input or variable in number of fuzzy members. So fuzziness is different fuzzy members that represent the temperature. So temperature is only single input, but the temperature input, this variable has 3 members. Temperature may be cold, warm and hot. This is why called the fuzziness. In real world, real language, we are just used to say temperature means it's too cold, warm, hot. This is 3 only. We can add one more variable, more fuzzy variables or more fuzzy members to the variable temperature. Like cold, we can add too cold or very cold, warm, hot or very hot. So it may be 3, 5, 4 depend upon the requirement. But here for example, there are 3 fuzzy members of variable temperature. For height, we are representing suppose 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch. We can have different fuzzy members for variable height, like small, medium, high, like this. So in this step we are going to finalize the fuzzy members of inputs and output. Suppose speed is the output and temperature is the input. One input and one output system. So temperature is input. In one input, for one input temperature we are having 3 fuzzy member. For the output speed, instead of 200 rpm, 1000 rpm, 5000 rpm, so it is measured in revolution per minute. But if we use the fuzziness, we can say speed is slow, medium, high. So these 3 fuzzy members are representing speed. So in first step, what we'll do, whatsoever, how many we are having input and output, that each input and output will be converted or will be assigned their fuzzy member. So in first step, fuzzification, it is to assign or to name its fuzzy member and to decide number of fuzzy member for each variable of input and output. After getting brief idea about fuzziness, let's take an example before defining remaining three parts of fuzzy logic, that is membership function, rules and defuzzification. Thank you.